Today's adventure takes us to Inks Lake State Park in Texas. This place offers family fun on the water and on the land. With its sparkling blue water, colorful rock outcrops, and striking sunsets, this gem of the hill country is just an hour northwest of Houston. Inks Lake State Park is great for a day trip or a weekend getaway. Because the lake's level usually stays constant, you can play here year round. It's recommended you make reservations. For adults, a day use is $6. Children 12 and under get in free. On the land, you can camp, backpack, geocache, play volleyball, picnic, and observe the nature. They have 9 miles of hiking trails through shady forests and across rocky hills. You can hike the Pecan Flats, which is a self-guided 3.3-mile trail that is perfect for the whole family, and you can stop by the bird blinds. You could also rent their group picnic pavilion for your next family reunion. On the water, you can swim, boat, water ski, scuba dive, and fish. They have set aside a large no-wake zone for paddling, and also you can rent paddle boats, canoes, one or two person kayaks, life vests, and paddles at the park store. You can stay at one of the nearly 200 campsites or 22 cabins. Many of these sites are lakeside or have easy access to the lake. They have several camping loops, and they do have playgrounds. You can fish for sunfish, catfish, and several species of bass. They have two fishing piers, fish cleaning stations, and a boat ramp. You do not need a fishing license to fish from a pier or the shore in a state park. They also have a service where you can borrow rods, reels, tackle boxes with hooks, sinkers, and bobbers. You can also buy food and supplies inside the park. The park store sells snacks, camping supplies, and souvenirs. Kona Ice of the Hill Country offers food, drinks, frozen treats, and more. You can look for them in the Central Park area across from the park store. It's open weekends and most weekdays in the summer. Also, they have a swimming hole here. It's called Devil's Water Hole. When the Valley Spring Creek is running, you can also explore the scenic waterfalls upstream of the lake. During the 1930s, the Civilian Conservation Corps built the roads, culverts, a boathouse, and a dock at Inks Lake, as well as parts of the Park Road Number 4 and facilities at Longhorn Cavern.